Welcome to Tech Shorts. Are you somebody that uses Facebook while you're constantly surfing the web? Well, it's a little known fact, but Facebook does track you everywhere you go using third-party cookies. But there is a browser extension we can enable that can fix that. To find it, we just need to go to our add-ons and themes, and it's only available in Firefox. You can't find it in Chrome or Chromium based, but it's called Facebook Container. Now by typing in there, it brings me up to the Firefox add-ons or extensions page, and you can see right at the top it says Facebook Container by Firefox. It's got 1.5 million users. What this does is it keeps Facebook from tracking you around the web. So here we can see that Facebook Container has disabled this button and blocked Facebook from tracking your visit to this web page. Essentially what it does is it puts Facebook on your tab in its own little box, meaning that when you go to other places, like when you're shopping or doing things like this, and you get a random ad in Facebook that's suddenly trying to sell you some of that stuff, this prevents that from happening. You can see here that this is an example of what it might look like. We've protected you from Facebook, and it has this little fence with the thing saying that Facebook was not able to track me while I was in another page. To add it to Firefox, you can click here. It will ask you if you want to allow the access. We're going to click add, and now you can see that the extension was added and it shows up right here in the upper right hand corner. If I click on it, it says no Facebook trackers detected. If I logged into Facebook, I could then activate it and it would contain Facebook. It turns the Facebook page to blue. You can see this blue border. So whenever you're in Facebook, there'll be a blue border around the Facebook tab so that you have identified it has been locked, and then you can go on browsing and Facebook won't be tracking everything that you do.